How to change car in Need for Speed. If you are ready to switch rides, here is how to change your car in Need for Speed on your phone. It's super quick and easy. Let's get started. Open your Need for Speed application. From the home screen, you have to tap onto the gear icon where there is all your cars are stored. It's on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. You have to swipe left or right to browse through your own cars. You will see stats and customization option too. Tap on the car you want to drive, then hit set to active or drive depending on your game version. After selecting the car, you have to head back to the main menu and start a race. Your new car will be ready to roll, and that's how you change car in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.